Hello everyone. Today I'll discuss exercise 3.4 question number 2. There are 6 marbles in a box with numbers 1 to 6 marked on each of them. Right? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? With number 2. Here we can solve this in this way that question number 2. Right? What is the probability of drawing a marble with number 2? Right? Let us find the drawing a number with marble 2 is. Here you see the total marbles. Here you see Here you see the total marbles from 1 to 6. Total marbles, total marbles, total marbles from 1 to C, from 1 to 6, from 1 to 6, 1 to 6, 1 to 6 marked, marked in a box, marked in a box is equal to total marble is 6 marble, right? Therefore, you can say the probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is, therefore you can say question number 1, the probability, the probability, probability, the probability, the probability of drawing a marble, probability of drawing, probability of drawing a marble, drawing a marble, drawing a marble with number 2, with number 2, with number 2 is P. P means probability, right? P represent probability, right? Drawing a marble with 2. Probability of drawing a marble, drawing a marble, drawing a marble is equal to 1 by 6. 1 by 6. Why? Because the probability of drawing a marble with number 2. Number 2, there are 6 marbles, right? From mark 1 to 6. Therefore, the probability of drawing a marble with number 2 is only one time, one chance, right? Out of 6 chance. Therefore, it can say that the probability will be 1 by 6. Now, number 2 is, question number 2 is, what is the probability of drawing a marble with number 5? That is the probability of drawing, the probability, the probability, the probability, the probability, the probability of drawing a marble, of drawing of drawing of drawing a marble, drawing a marble, drawing a marble with number 5, with number 5, number with number 5, with number 5, with number 5, P, that is drawing one marble, probability of drawing one marble, probability of drawing a marble, marble is equal to 1 by 6. Why? Because here you see that there are 6 marbles and each one is represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? Therefore, the probability of drawing the marble with number 5 is 1 by 6, right? This is the solution of question number 2 of exercise 3.4. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.